Are you tired of feeling like your body is betraying you just when you need it most? If you're a man over 60 and you've noticed your energy levels dropping, your performance declining, and that spark of vitality becoming nothing more than a distant memory, you're not alone. Millions of men face this exact challenge every single day, wondering if this is just their new normal or if there's something they can actually do about it. Before we dive in, if you're ready to take control of your health and reclaim your vitality, hit that subscribe button right now. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm genuinely curious. Drop a comment below and let me know what's holding you back from subscribing, and tell me what city or state you're watching from. I read every single comment, and I want to make sure I'm creating the content you actually need. I'm Dr. Vicky, and I've spent over 3 decades as a urologist specializing in men's health. I've seen thousands of men walk through my office doors feeling defeated, frustrated, and convinced that their best years are behind them. But here's what I've discovered through years of clinical practice and research. The right foods can be absolute game changers for men over 60. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 specific foods that can dramatically boost your energy, enhance your performance, and restore that vitality you thought was gone forever. Let's start with the first powerhouse food that should be on every man's plate after 60. Fatty fish, specifically salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Now, you might be thinking you've heard this before, but I'm going to tell you exactly why these fish are so crucial for your specific needs as a mature man and how to use them strategically for maximum benefit. As you age, your testosterone levels naturally decline by approximately 1 to 2% each year after age 30. By the time you reach 60, you're dealing with significantly lower testosterone than you had in your prime. This affects everything from your energy levels to your muscle mass, your mood, and yes, your sexual performance. Fatty fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which directly support healthy testosterone production. But here's the part most people don't know. These same omega-3s also improve blood flow throughout your entire body, including to your brain and sexual organs. The magic happens at the cellular level. Omega-3 fatty acids become incorporated into your cell membranes, making them more flexible and efficient. This means better nutrient transport, improved oxygen delivery, and enhanced waste removal. For your brain, this translates to sharper thinking, better memory, and sustained mental energy throughout the day. For your cardiovascular system, it means improved circulation and reduced inflammation, which directly impacts your physical performance and endurance. But here's where it gets really interesting from a urological perspective. The same improved blood flow that benefits your heart also benefits your sexual health. Many men over 60 experience erectile dysfunction, not because of psychological issues, but because of reduced blood flow. The omega-3s in fatty fish act as natural vasodilators, helping to relax blood vessels and improve circulation to all areas of your body. Now, let me tell you exactly how to incorporate fatty fish into your routine for maximum benefit. You need to consume fatty fish at least 3 times per week, with each serving being about the size of your palm. The best times to eat fish are either for lunch or dinner, never for breakfast, because your body needs time to process and utilize these healthy fats. Wild-caught salmon is your best option, followed by mackerel and sardines. If you're concerned about mercury, smaller fish like sardines and anchovies are excellent choices with lower mercury content. Here's a pro tip from my clinical experience. Combine your fatty fish with leafy greens and a small amount of healthy fat like avocado or olive oil. This combination enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and maximizes the anti-inflammatory benefits. I've seen men make this simple change and report increased energy levels within just 2 weeks. The second food that can transform your health after 60 is something that might surprise you: dark chocolate, but not just any dark chocolate. I'm talking about high-quality dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content. This isn't about giving you permission to indulge your sweet tooth. This is about leveraging a powerful compound called flavonoids that can literally rewire your cardiovascular system for better performance. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, specifically epicatechin and catechin, which have been shown in clinical studies to improve endothelial function. Your endothelium is the inner lining of your blood vessels, and as you age, it becomes less efficient at producing nitric oxide, a compound that's absolutely crucial for healthy blood flow. When your endothelium isn't functioning optimally, you experience reduced energy, decreased physical performance, and yes, sexual dysfunction. The flavonoids in dark chocolate actually help restore your body's ability to produce nitric oxide naturally. This isn't just theoretical. There are multiple published studies showing that men who consume dark chocolate regularly have improved erectile function, better cardiovascular health, and increased energy levels. In fact, one study showed that men who consumed 40 grams of dark chocolate daily for 2 weeks experienced a 42% improvement in blood flow measurements. But here's the crucial part: timing and quality matter enormously. You want to consume about 20 to 30 grams of high-quality dark chocolate daily, preferably in the afternoon between 2 and 4 p.m. This timing coincides with your body's natural cortisol rhythm and can help sustain your energy levels through the afternoon slump that many men over 60 experience. The chocolate should be minimally processed, organic if possible, and contain at least 70% cacao. Avoid anything with added sugars, artificial flavors, or excessive processing. From a urological standpoint, I've observed that men who incorporate high-quality dark chocolate into their daily routine often report improved morning erections and better overall sexual satisfaction. This isn't because chocolate is an aphrodisiac in the traditional sense, but because it's supporting the underlying vascular health that's essential for sexual function. Here's how to maximize the benefits. Break your daily portion into 2 pieces, consuming 1 piece at 2 p.m. and another at 4 p.m. Pair it with a small handful of nuts or a piece of fruit to slow the absorption and prevent blood sugar spikes. Never consume dark chocolate after 6 p.m., as it contains caffeine that can interfere with sleep quality, and quality sleep is absolutely crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. The third and perhaps most powerful food for men over 60 is something that's been used medicinally for thousands of years, but is just now being recognized by modern science: pomegranates. This incredible fruit contains a unique combination of antioxidants, including punicalagins and ellagic acid, that have specific benefits for aging men that you simply can't get from any other food source. Pomegranates are particularly powerful because they address multiple issues that affect men over 60 simultaneously. First, they're incredibly rich in antioxidants, with an ORAC value that's 3 times higher than red wine or green tea. This means they're exceptionally effective at combating oxidative stress, which is one of the primary drivers of aging and cellular damage. As you age, your body's natural antioxidant production decreases, leaving you more vulnerable to inflammation and cellular damage that can affect everything from your energy levels to your cognitive function. But here's where pomegranates really shine for men's health. They contain compounds that specifically support prostate health. The prostate is a gland that surrounds your urethra and is responsible for producing seminal fluid. As men age, the prostate naturally enlarges, a condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia, which can cause urinary symptoms, reduced sexual function, and overall decreased quality of life. The ellagic acid in pomegranates has been shown to help maintain healthy prostate size and function. From my clinical experience, I've seen men who regularly consume pomegranate juice or whole pomegranates experience improved urinary flow, reduced nighttime urination, and better overall urinary health. This isn't just about comfort. It's about maintaining your independence and quality of life as you age. Pomegranates also have unique benefits for cardiovascular health that are particularly relevant for men over 60. They help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key step in the development of atherosclerosis. They also support healthy blood pressure levels and improve overall circulation. In several studies, men who consumed pomegranate juice regularly showed improved erectile function, likely due to these cardiovascular benefits. The key to getting maximum benefit from pomegranates is consistency and proper preparation. You want to consume either one whole pomegranate or 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily. If you choose juice, make sure it's 100% pure with no added sugars or artificial ingredients. The best time to consume pomegranates is in the morning, ideally within an hour of waking, when your body can best utilize the antioxidants and your digestive system is most efficient. Here's a practical tip. If you find whole pomegranates inconvenient, you can extract the seeds and freeze them in single-serving portions. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a convenient way to get your daily dose. The seeds contain fiber, which helps slow the absorption of the natural sugars and provides additional digestive benefits. Now, let me share with you how to combine these 3 foods for maximum synergistic effect. Your body doesn't work in isolation, and neither should your nutrition strategy. When you combine fatty fish, dark chocolate, and pomegranates strategically, you create a powerful nutritional foundation that addresses multiple aspects of men's health simultaneously. Start your day with pomegranate seeds or juice to flood your system with antioxidants and set a positive tone for cellular protection throughout the day. Have your fatty fish at lunch or dinner paired with vegetables and healthy fats to optimize absorption. Consume your dark chocolate in the afternoon to support sustained energy and circulation. This routine creates a steady supply of nutrients that support testosterone production, cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and overall vitality. The timeline for seeing results varies from person to person, but in my clinical experience, most men notice improvements in energy levels within the first 2 weeks. Sexual function improvements typically become apparent within 4 to 6 weeks, while the more significant cardiovascular and cognitive benefits usually manifest within 2 to 3 months of consistent consumption. It's important to understand that these foods work best as part of a comprehensive approach to health. While they're incredibly powerful on their own, they're most effective when combined with regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and avoidance of health-damaging habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Let me address some common concerns I hear from patients about incorporating these foods into their routine. First, many men worry about the mercury content in fish. While this is a valid concern, the benefits of fatty fish far outweigh the risks when consumed in the recommended amounts. Choose smaller fish like sardines and mackerel when possible, and vary your choices to minimize exposure to any single contaminant. Regarding dark chocolate, some men are concerned about weight gain. When consumed in the recommended amounts of 20 to 30 grams daily, high-quality dark chocolate actually supports healthy metabolism and can help control cravings for less healthy sweets. The key is choosing high-quality chocolate with minimal added sugars and consuming it mindfully as part of your overall nutrition plan. For pomegranates, the main concern is usually cost and convenience. While pomegranates can be more expensive than some other fruits, consider the cost of the supplements you might be taking or the potential medical expenses you could avoid by supporting your health proactively. A single pomegranate or 8 ounces of pure juice daily is a small investment in your long-term health and vitality. From a medical perspective, I want to emphasize that these foods are generally safe for most men, but if you're taking medications, particularly blood thinners or diabetes medications, you should consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Pomegranates, in particular, can interact with certain medications, and the omega-3s in fatty fish can enhance the effects of blood-thinning medications. One of the most rewarding aspects of my practice has been watching men transform their health and reclaim their vitality through strategic nutrition choices. I've seen 65-year-old men who felt like they were falling apart experience renewed energy, improved sexual function, and a genuine excitement about life again. These aren't miraculous transformations. They're the natural result of providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. The human body has an incredible capacity for healing and rejuvenation at any age, but it needs the right raw materials to work with. By incorporating fatty fish, dark chocolate, and pomegranates into your daily routine, you're providing your body with a powerful combination of nutrients that support every system involved in energy production, performance, and vitality. Remember, consistency is key. You won't see dramatic changes overnight, but if you commit to incorporating these foods into your routine for at least 90 days, I'm confident you'll be amazed by the improvements in how you feel, how you perform, and how you experience life. Your body is designed to thrive, not just survive, and the right nutrition can make all the difference in how you age. As we conclude, I want to leave you with this thought. Aging doesn't have to mean declining. With the right knowledge and consistent action, you can maintain and even improve your energy, performance, and vitality well into your golden years. These 3 foods are powerful tools in your arsenal for healthy aging, but they're just the beginning of what's possible when you take control of your health. If you found this information valuable and want to learn more about optimizing your health as a man over 60, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Your health is your most valuable asset, and investing in it now will pay dividends for years to come. Take action today and start experiencing the energy, performance, and vitality you deserve.